That's awesome. You're my hero.
Aw, you guys are sucking up all the bandwidth. I can't trip pick right now.
That's awesome.
I have like...
It's like a Big Daddy in Minecraft.
Moving. That stick logos or look. I think it's digging.
Alright, that was interesting.
Yes, you have a personal guard. Say hello, guard. There you go. Okay. Yeah, that's awesome. That kicks ass. Yeah. Your statue's cooler than mine. Acorn, start drooling. That's for you. That's cool.
What if it actually drives?
Does it work? Probably. Those guys.
Look, it scraped it.
It works. That's perfect.
I pushed that one.
That's where the Borderlands 2 demo is. I'm here. Sad face. Gary, you're awesome. Just letting you know.
Trying.
Oh man.
Get out of here, Dragonborn.
Get upset, you get grounded. So I'm giving you permission right now to yell at your little brother.
He's got full health. He's okay. They're okay. He's got full health. He'll be fine. Oh, just give you a line update. It's been, how long is it? What time is it? What time? Time check.
Check the time when you picked up.
It's been 53 minutes in line. That's great. It's been an hour. We got...
All that built up.
No, it's farther. It's not like super long. Oh well, bye. Line check in like a while. No, watching LOL in line. That girl's pretty hot. Hello.
Very nice.